The point, I'm going to make it special, call it T naught, because I want to just say this is x of t. X of 0, say over here. I don't know why I put a box around it. Just want to keep it away from the 3D view. All right. What is this dashed line here? That dashed line is the set of all x such that v of x is equal to v of x of t naught. All right. And that's a level set of this Lyapunov function. And what do you remember about gradients and level sets? Orthogonal? we all know that the gradient that's a right angle, you know. There's a level set and the gradient. The gradient goes in the direction of maximal increase, you know, and it's orthogonal to the direction where it's constant, approximately constant, right? And so, and you can also see here, let's get another colored pen out. That's x of t, and you can see the velocity direction, right? Okay. You know, I'm going inside. The fact that this is decreasing means I'm going into these sub-level sets. Right? You know, here I'm equal to 10. Here, say, maybe I'm equal to 0. You know, out here I'm bigger than 10. So if I'm decreasing, I'm going inside. But you can see the main thing is that dot product is negative. You know, saying that the dot product is negative exactly says that I'm going inside that sub-level set. What?
Gradient of x.
What? Oh, God, that's why you guys look confused. Sorry. I've written that down, wrote it down again. That's definitely not orthogonal. Grad v in itself are not orthogonal. So remember, where is it? X dot equals f of x. Okay, and I'm saying that here's a path of x of t, and we know that its derivative x dot is along the path, and x dot is f of x of t naught. Okay, and that dot product is negative. Just write it down again. So you can see here, this is just repeating what I already wrote down. This is the geometry that turns out to be really useful all over the place. Okay? All right, so this is what you get, you know, in the first week or so of a stability course. Yep.
Something like could be a little unrelated, but just out of curiosity, do people care about the convexity of V with respect to X?
Well, convexity, it comes up when we're interested in computational issues and stuff, but besides that, nah, it's not really important. Is that the end? Isn't 345 our graveyard state? Yeah, it is. Okay, well, okay, well, anyway, we're going to continue on this next time. And I want you all to review the fundamental theorem of calculus, because that's the next step, is to be able to understand what's going on here. You know, if we'd done the geometry, I wanted to say a little bit more, but we better wait till next time. All right. Okay, so anyway, enjoy the beautiful weather, just amazing.